Hey everyone, and welcome to the 30th video of this series in which I will show you 30 CSS properties and in 30 days. And this is the last video of this series, and to end this series I will discuss about the property of media queries. Okay, you heard it right. You can use it to make your website responsive. Okay, so we will see exactly what is media query and how you can use it to make your website responsive, and we will see with the help of an example. Okay, so first of all, if you will take a look here in our website, we have like 4 boxes and some random text here. Okay, I have defined it here and given some style. You have already know. Okay, this grid template columns I have given here, and few background colors and some margin and padding. Okay, now let's see how you can use media queries. Okay, so first of all, if I will inspect this, okay, and let me just zoom it out. All right, so now you can see our website is looking, you can see here, this is the width. Okay, this is the width which we will be using in order to in our media queries. Okay, so this value is very important. So you can see here it is around 2000 and our website is looking great. Okay, nothing weird. And if I'll just close it here, and almost 800 pixel, 900, it is looking fine. Okay, but like here 700, the text are very small. Okay, it is like looking hard to see. So I want whenever the width is 700 pixel, okay, the 700, this the last element will come down and the 3 elements will be together up. Okay, so how you can do that? Okay, so let's see. First of all, you have to write @media, then add a bracket, and inside this write max width and add a semicolon, and then you can write the value. Okay, so I will write this value here. You can use like 700. Okay, so like I will use 700 here. Okay, let's say 700 pixel. Okay, so this value is in pixels. Okay, and now you have to add curly braces, and inside this you can define any of the property you want. Okay, so I want whenever let me show you one example first, and let's say let's say background color red. So I have given here whenever the like the width of this screen is below 700. Okay, so this is whenever the screen is below 700, the background color of the body will be red. So let me just save it. You can see the background color is red because the width is less than 700. Okay, so I am decreasing the width and it is red. Now if I just increase it, you can see it is more than 700, and now the background color is not red, it is white. So as you can see here, you can use this media query like this. Okay, so now let's get back to our example. I will write here and let me just copy this. Okay, so I will copy this div here and I will paste it here, and you don't need to write this grid again and again. We will just use this grid template, and instead of this 4 here I will write 3. That's it. And now you can see it is more than 700, but let's watch what will happen if I'll just decrease it. So here you go, you can see now it is less than 700, and the last element is now in the bottom row. Okay, so you can see how you can use it to make your website responsive. Okay, so now let's shrink it more, let's make it smaller. So as you can see here, around like 550 or 500, it is getting hard to see. So I will copy this whole down here, and I will write whenever the width is 500, this repeat will be for 2 elements. Now you will see this is more efficient, more user friendly. Okay, so this is 3, this is 4. Okay, so you can see 700 it will change, and in 500 also it will change. So yes, you can see what I mean. And let's shrink it more, and as you can see here, around like 300 or so 350, it is just a very like difficult to read the text. So I will add 320 pixel. Okay, so I will write here whenever the width is less than 320 pixel, I will write one box at a time. Okay, so whenever the width is 320, as you can see here, now you can see the width is less than the width, all the elements are now in one column. Okay, so this is the way of which you can use it. Okay, and also this one, the width of them are very huge, so I will also change the width. I will copy this one here, and in this 320 pixel I will write this, and I will change the font size here because it is too big for it. Let's see. Okay, now it is great. And I will also decrease the padding here, let's say 30 pixel. Yep, and the margin is fine, and I want to decrease the width over here. Okay, the width, let's say 150. Alright, so now it is, I think it is looking great. Okay, so as you can see here, it is looking something like this. So our responsive website is now ready. You can see it is shrinking down, and here it changes, then here it changes, and at 320 it will change. So as you can see here, our website is now responsive. Okay, so you can see also in these different devices, let's say iPhone 12 Pro, it is looking like this. Then let's say iPad mini, it is looking like this. And let's say Galaxy Fold, it is looking something like this. So yes guys, this is how you can make a responsive website, and I hope you have learned something new, and I hope you learn how to make a website responsive with the help of this video. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.